Okay, as promised, I'm here with the homie Laz Alonso. And Laz, today we're gonna make arroz con pollo, which you know and love.
One of my favorites.
Okay, but you don't know
Arroz
how...
con pollo was something that I grew up on. It was a nice warm hug in the middle of winter when it was cold outside.
And that's what we're gonna do today?
That's what we're gonna do today. It's cold outside right now, and I want a nice warm hug.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna hug you, but instead...
In my belly.
Okay, there we go.
In my belly.
Because you don't know how to make this, do you?
I don't. So I grew up, like, as you know, because we've had a lot of debates on what ingredients do you use versus what my mom used and what this and that. But I grew up a connoisseur of Cuban food without ever having to learn how to make it.
You don't know how to make one thing. Well, okay,
I'm a
first...
professional eater.
We're gonna start with the sofrito.
Let's go.
Which you know what that is, but I use cilantro in my sofrito. I think
Yes.
cilantro is so great in arroz con pollo.
It's delicious. It doesn't exist in Cuba.
It doesn't exist in Cuba, but it existed in my mother's Cuban kitchen.
Let the debates begin. Okay, yeah,
Wait,
move out the way. Sorry.
If you're not gonna cut, I'm gonna cut you if you're
I can cut.
You wanna cut cilantro?
I can cut, yeah, why not?
Entonces.
If I'm doing it wrong, just correct me.
Listen.
All of this, we're using this whole bunch?
No, I would say half of that.
Okay. When you say half, do you mean half this or half this?
Oh, sweet baby Jesus. You know what?
Boom, okay.
Dale, this
All right,
should be
cool,
fun.
perfect, all right.
Peppers. We're gonna do yellow and we're gonna do red. They obviously give really good flavor, but I just love having two different kinds because it's pretty. It's aesthetically pleasing.
Do they taste different?
Yes, first of all, the green one is a little more bitter.
Okay.
But I love the green one. And
Now,
black beans.
how about the green Cuban bell pepper that's different from the regular bell pepper you find in American stores?
Do you mean?
The longer one. It's like a little skinnier.
I know what you're talking
Yeah,
about.
see, I always challenge her. I always challenge her Cubano-ness.
Yes, he really does. He really, really
But you passed, you haven't failed one yet.
I didn't think so. Also,
You're on point.
I'm the one who's teaching you how to make arroz con pollo.
You are. I only know knowledge. I don't know experiential knowledge.
I can't.
Practical knowledge.
Throw some respect on my name, Laz.
Some respect on it.
Okay, so I like to use chicken thighs in my arroz con pollo. Let's be
Okay.
real, thighs are the most flavorful.
Yep.
They're the best. So
That delicious brown meat.
yes. People are gonna think you're crazy.
Of course. All Cubans are.
Yeah, no, I know. The fact that there's two Cubans in a kitchen right now is
It's a problem, folks.
for real. So the way that I marinate this chicken is I put lime all over it, and then I put salt, pepper, onion, and garlic powder. Also, if you have adobo, it's a good time to use.
So how do you...
Just so you know, Laz knows what he's doing, because did you see what he was doing? He was massaging the lime so that it
It's
would
gotta be
be
massaged.
easier for it to be juiced.
Do you like it this way?
There are so many innuendos in that one sentence. I'm gonna let that go though, okay?
I'm letting that one go. It already smells good.
I know, isn't it the best?
Yeah.
And we haven't even added any fire.
Always remember to season both sides of your chicken. You gotta slap it up, flip it, and rub it down.
You slap your chicken too, Laz?
Slap everything. Everything's getting slapped.
Every ingredient, just... Okay, so we have everything cut up for the sofrito. The chicken is marinated, so
Marinated.
time to cook.
Time to cook. Let's cook.
Okay.
I'm excited.